Hey, so this can be very interesting way for you to start making $900 per day just by doing a very simple task. And I say this because I have experience. First, let me take you to this platform and see how much people are making just by doing a very simple task from this website. This one right here called the Relaxed Guy makes $19 a month, and the other one called Rain Bedroom makes up to $5,000 a month. All you want to do is for you to start posting rain videos on YouTube. It's going to be very simple for you because I'm going to tell you how to get these rain videos for free, but also how are you going to upload these videos and start making $900 a day just by uploading rain videos on YouTube. In the middle of this video, I will show you how to get these rain videos for free, but right now let's start with our first step, how to start making money on YouTube just by posting one video. All you want to do right now is for you to go ahead and create a YouTube channel, which usually takes only 2 minutes, and we're just going to create right now. So I'm just going to show you the whole process step by step. So the first step, you need to go to Google. As you can see right now, you have to go to Google and write create Gmail account, and you have to click here create an account, and now you can write your name here and all the information needed. Now our Gmail account has already been created. Okay, so that was our very first step to create our Gmail account, and with this Gmail account we're just going to create our YouTube channel, which is going to take like only 1 minute. So you have to go to youtube.com and you have to click this place which is written as sign in. You have to write the same email that you just created, so you can just write here the same email, and you can just write the same password that you just created. So right after signing on YouTube, this page is going to show up like this, and we have to create our channel right now. As you can see right here, you have to click on your profile, and you can see down here it's written as create channel, and you have to click create channel. Here you can write your channel name. So in this video I'm just gonna go ahead and write my happy place. This will be my channel name. And happy here you needed to put or upload your profile picture. So you have to go on Google and search any picture related to rain. So let's go to Google and search right here rain photos, and I think I'm gonna choose this one because as you can see this one is very good. So I'm gonna choose this photo as my profile picture, and you have to come down here and click upload. Then you have to choose this photo that you just downloaded from Google and put this as your profile picture, and now our channel has already been created. So this is our YouTube channel, which we will be posting rain videos, and these videos that we're just going to post on this channel are going to make us more than $900 a day. Now let's go ahead and find these rain videos. You have to go to this website which is called Pexel. This website is going to give us too many rain videos with no copyright. So it's very important to realize that you need to post videos that it has no copyright at all. So this website is providing too many videos with no copyright at all. So you just have to go to this website. So you have to search up here. You have to write rain videos, and these rain videos will show up. You have to download any video that you think it will attract different viewers to click on your video and start watching these rain videos. So I'm just gonna go ahead and download multiple videos, and I will show you how to upload these videos. All the downloading on this website are for free. Alright, so I've downloaded multiple videos ready to upload, and now let's go back to YouTube, and you have to click here upload video. You can choose the video that you downloaded on your mobile phone or your laptop, and right now I'm just using my laptop, so I'm just gonna choose my video that I downloaded from Pexel. And as you can see right now, I've uploaded this one, and you can write a good title. So I'm just gonna go ahead and write a very relaxing rainy sound. So this is a video and I've uploaded on this channel. So this is how it works, and the good thing about this is that you really don't have to show your face to start making this kind of money. As I showed before, there are a lot of people who are posting videos, rainy videos on YouTube, and they're making decent amount of money. So you didn't have to do the same. You have to download this video from Pexel, and you need to upload this video on YouTube and start making money. So this is a very important thing, and I really want you to understand this about these videos that you're just going to download from Pexel. This website is giving free videos, but before uploading these videos on YouTube, you have to make sure that you edit a little bit these videos in order for you to avoid copyright issues. Despite this video not having copyright issues, but if many people are going to post these videos on YouTube will realize and you'll get copyright issues. So it's very important for you to edit a little bit these videos and post on YouTube. This is really going to take you somewhere, and I really hope that if you keep doing this, you can make decent and reasonable amount of money. But the other website that you can find, free website with no copyright at all, there are this website which is called unwind.com, and the other website which is called artist.io. This website are going to give you free video and free running video, as you can see here. So all you want to do right now is for you to go ahead and join on this website, and you can start downloading this video, edit a little bit, and upload on YouTube so you can avoid copyright issues, because a lot of creators right now, they're just posting these videos without even editing at all. So this, it can cause copyright issues. So for you to avoid copyright issues, you have to do the following. You have to download this video, edit a little bit, then you have to upload on this platform. So I really believe in faceless channels, and I say that because I have experience. I have this big channel. It has more than 100 million views, and it made me a lot of money. So you really have to go ahead and try this channel. And I think if you go ahead and try to post random videos for more than 3 months straight, you can get good result, because faceless channel, they're getting a lot of views, they're getting a lot of money. So you really have to go ahead and try. I have this experience. My faceless channel, it has changed my life in a very good way. So you really have to go ahead and choose this niche, because it's really gonna give you a lot of money. So thanks so much for watching my videos. My name is Hans David, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you so much.